What is going on, guys? BW Darian here. I'm going to show you guys how I bought my 08 R32. I purchased the car from Copart, which is one of the largest online auction houses probably in the world. The only downfall of this company is that they are probably one of the shadiest online auction houses in the world as well. So if you guys do plan on to buy a vehicle from them, I highly recommend going to look at it before you guys purchase it. I have a bright pink folder of all of the invoices, fees, and legal documents that I needed to purchase my car. I am a registered business, so I did pay a little bit less on the fees, but besides that, everything is pretty much the same when it comes to buying from Copart. Alright, so throughout this whole entire series, I'm going to show you guys exactly how much I paid for this car, the fees that I had to pay, how I found this car, where I found this car, how to go look at the car, how to look at a car that you want to purchase, and most importantly, the journey that I went on with purchasing this car. It's been fun, so I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's go. Alright, so as you guys can tell, got the R32 inside and ready for a tear down. So we're gonna get going on that. Kind of try to salvage everything possible. As you can kind of tell, not a whole lot is salvageable. Bumper's kind of too far gone. Fenders are probably both need to be replaced. A new door, rear view mirror, hood. And we gotta find some electrical shit going on because it won't start. So we gotta figure that out. Yesterday morning I woke up, found a bumper for my R32 and decided that I'm gonna go get it. So the bumper is in Maryland, and now we're here at the Capitol. So here we are. Okay, so all we got left on the R32 is to throw some bumpers on. We gotta throw some fenders on, throw some headlights. What else we got? Doors, mirrors, and a door glass. So as soon as that stuff's done, we're shipping it down the road, and then it's getting painted. The whole car. It's gonna be beautiful. After that's done, it's gonna be up for sale, so you guys can buy it if you want. If you guys did like this video, if you guys just so happen to like this video, make sure to subscribe. Also, like this video, because that would be helping me out a lot. Thank you guys. Have a great day, night, whatever it is. We'll see ya.